try again. August 14th, like 8 a.m. or a little bit earlier. Not too much damage actually. We had some damage up there. I need to go to the roof, but it seems that everything is fine. The ladder fell, but oh, the chair is right here. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. One container safe here, but it was really rough. And the winds in this is a storm. It was worse than the Cat 1 we got here. That was a Cat 1 few months ago. Yeah, seems we're okay. Let's go up there. Here. And it seems, you see this yellow thing here, believe it or not, this is Sahara dust that ended up here in St-Croix. But it seems that our roof did the job. Alone, I don't see anything flying, and it seems that the connections are, I don't want to go too much to the edge, but it seems that we did it alone. It's just because there is no much electricity, but everything seems connected and stable, safe. Tesla is there. Here, not much damage, thank God. We're alive. So yeah, it's rough, and I think we're gonna be out of electricity power for like at least 2-3 days. So that's it. But it's getting cooler again, thank God. Enjoy, kisses, bye.